Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming credentials and choosing the path, physical device or remote. If you have the other phone, unlock it and go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google. Once there, select the account you want removed. If you're remote, open a browser and sign into account. Google.com with that same account, then head to Security. Make sure you can receive any two-step verification codes because Google will require this for sensitive actions. If you're on the device, tap Remove Account and confirm. This deletes account data locally and stops sync. Once done, check Settings to confirm no residual Google services tied to that account. If you're remote, in Manage Devices, find the target phone, click the three dots and choose Sign Out or Remove Access. This forces sign out from that device and revokes tokens. Make sure to monitor the account's device list and security notifications to confirm the action completed. Finish by verifying on account. Google.com under your devices that the phone no longer has access. Once done, go to Security, right arrow third-party apps with account access and revoke anything suspicious. If removal failed, change the account password immediately. That forces token invalidation. Make sure to use Find My Device to remove the account or factory, reset the phone if you have physical access. And if you hit errors, check your two-step verification methods and use backup codes to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.